Welcome to the channel, welcome to the workshop, and I've had a very busy weekend. I've got a big project ongoing at the moment, and you'll see that in a week or two. But I've got a bit of time, like half an hour or so, so I thought I'll tick one of those jobs off the list, and that was getting my old school G Shock watch up and running. This is a DW 8300. Bought this from Costco when I first started working, probably 96, 95, 96, something like that. I bought this. Love this watch, loved it to death. It's been in a drawer for 10 years, so I've just changed the battery in it. And I'll show you that video now. We change it, very quick job, and I'm just about to give it a deep clean because it's filthy. It's been stuck in a drawer for God knows how long. Absolutely loved this watch when I got it. Absolutely loved it. For the nerds out there, this is the one they use for Stargate SG-1, the TV series, for at least a few seasons from memory. This is what the SG-1 team wore as their watches. So it's pretty cool. Anyway, I'll show you how to change the battery, and then we'll get straight on to cleaning it. So anyway, cool is this? Not worn this in years. Now I know these have an extra layer for an extra bit of protection behind the rear cover. That's not good. That out. Again, it's a little. Oh, I can see the catch. Where's a flathead? Oh, that's it. Yeah. And, get this battery out. Right, it is a C20. I'm going to have to put my glasses on to look at this closer. Can't quite make it out. Wonder what I'm doing. I have. Oh, it's a CO 2016. Same as that one. It's one of these. We might give that a bit of a clean though. Positive up. So slide that in. Done. Is it turned on? It has. That's really cool. Right then, so that goes in that way. This case is filthy. It'll need a proper deep clean. So that goes in that way. It's a dead battery. That needs to go on in a second. And what we're going to do with that is I want to give that a bit of a clean with some alcohol. So some rubbing alcohol. Which way did this go? Okay. This thing goes. Awesome. All working right. Let's give this a clean. Let's give this tied up and we'll give this strap a clean because it's absolute far. It's been in a drawer for God knows how long. That's looking better, isn't it now? Brilliant. Right then. All set. I'm really happy with that. I'm about to start wearing this again. There you go. All clean. Battery changed. You know, it's one of those jobs I've knocking around for ages. I've had the batteries for ages. You know what I mean? One of those things ticked off the list. Start wearing it again. I used to love this watch. I'm definitely gonna start wearing it again. But yeah. Anyway, job ticked off the list. If you made it this far in the video, that's something extremely exciting. Me what cleaning a watch and changing its battery. Thanks for watching. And so I've got a fairly big video coming next weekend. So if you watch it this far, cheers.